Hi there, I'm going to show in this video tutorial how to repair the IMEI for Nokia C1 second edition, alias known as the TA-1380 model. We are going to do this using SPD service tool and FuriouSGOLD box. Also be sure that you visit our website for the latest news regarding mobile phones. So let's check the phone. So as you can see, we have here the IMEI 1 damaged. So I'm going to restore it to the original value on its box. So we first need to power off the device. Once the device is off, I'm going to diag mode, select our model C1 second edition, and I'm going to check this option for disabled diag. Is for the phones with new firmware, where using the old method the phone goes to the charging mode. So I'm going to press OK. Now from the operations box I'm going to select IMEI, and from here I'm going to select IMEI 0, which corresponds to the IMEI 1 of the mobile. And on this box I'm going to enter the value from here. So 35134 500 27 107 0. And now I'm going to press connect. Once the software starts searching for the mobile, I'm going to insert the USB cable on the USB port. And if everything is okay, the phone gets detected. The phone should start and remain hanged on this powered by Android logo. As you can see, the work starts. The security is okay. We should always have here 0. We are informed that we are going to be charged with one multipurpose log. So we are going to click yes. So that's it. Under a minute for this operation. Now let's remove the cable. Let's power on the phone and check if the operation ended successfully. So as you can see, the IMEI got successfully repaired, the security is okay, it matches the one from the sticker. So thanks for watching this tutorial, thanks for using our products, bye bye.